Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Old Bill's Barbecue. Today, I want to thank HotShot for setting this amazing wood-burning smokeless fire pit. We're going to open it up for you, and we'll show you how it works. This looks like our base for the fire pit. We got our cover, instruction manual, best part of all, Alright, let's attach the heat shield to the bottom of this HotShot. It's a pretty simple process. All you have to do is line up the holes on the bottom, and then we're going to attach the 4 screws that came with it with our star screwdriver. Very simple process. You're just going to screw them in, and that's it. Alright, we're going to grab our base for the HotShot. Pretty simple, that's where the airflow comes through. Okay, we're going to put it down. And then we're going to flip our fully put together HotShot right on top of it. Make sure all these little lips on the bottom of it go right into the base. Boom, there you go. Alright, that was super easy to put together. Anybody could do it. Let's take a look at that cover. We're going to open it up. Okay, fairly simple. Unfolds, pull it over top. And just like that, it's ready to go. Alright, so this is our HotShot. It comes with a 5-year warranty. It's got double wall design to keep the heat in. We've got a smoke-free technology, so that way you won't smoke out your neighbors when you want to have a fire. And it's made out of 100% 304 stainless steel, so that way it's not going to rust out on you. Now, if you want to see this thing in action, stay tuned for next week, or go follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Big Old Bill's Barbecue. Till next week, we'll see you then.